Hi everyone, my name is Allison Ashcraft and I'm from the Athens, Georgia area. I currently live outside of Athens with my husband and our dog, Zeus. We just adopted him and he's 10 years old. I graduated from the University of North Georgia in 2016 with my bachelor's in criminal justice. While I was a student, I worked for the registrar's office as a student worker. Once I graduated, I was offered a job as a degree credit evaluator, and I've been there for about 2 years now. I'm the person who gets to tell students if they met degree requirements or not. In my free time, I like spending time with my husband and our dog and our families. My husband and I are also big Disney lovers. We are annual pass holders, and we try to get down there multiple times throughout the year. We're also big runners, and we're training for a half marathon currently. This semester, I'm looking forward to learning about the higher education administration and its breakdown and how different institutions work together and how they're both different. I'm looking forward to this semester and working with everyone.